Plastic bags' continually increasing usage has become a worldwide environmental problem, detrimentally impacting on wildlife in oceans, specifically the sea turtles, as although they have been living for millions of years, in the recent decades there has been a considerable decline in their numbers. Plastic bags being light in weight, durable, strong, and also cheap make them very convenient for a broad range of reasons, mainly being used in the shopping department. Globally, approximately over 500 billion to 1 trillion are used annually. Plastic bags are not biodegradable, but are photodegradable, whereby they slowly continue to break down into smaller toxic pieces through sun exposure. As a result, enter the food web where animals and wildlife can accidentally ingest them. Globally, plastic debris is known to affect 86% of the sea turtle species, 36% of the seabird species, and 23% of the marine mammal species. This inquiry focuses specifically on the impact of plastic bags on sea turtles, as they are the most affected. As plastic bags greatly resemble jellyfish, the sea turtles' primary food source, they mistakenly ingested. Numerous autopsies have revealed that this ingestion was the primary cause of their unnatural death and stress, and that plastic bags were the main material extracted from their digestive tracts. Numerous reasons cause plastic bags to end up in oceans. They are either handled carelessly, accidentally lost, or forgotten by beachgoers. The misplacement of plastic bags in industrialized cities also cause them to end up in rivers and drainage systems, and eventually be carried into the ocean. At present, approximately 80% of the 4 to 5 trillion plastic bags that are produced annually worldwide are used by North America and Western Europe, 20 billion by Taiwan, 10 billion by the United States, 7 billion by Australia, and 100 billion of these produced plastic bags are thrown away just by the US. It has been estimated that 4 to 12 million tonnes of plastic enter the ocean every year, and in this century, there are 46,000 pieces of plastic floating in every square kilometre of ocean worldwide. The results of data obtained through decades show a rapid increase in sea turtle ingesting plastic bags between the 1960s and 1980s, resulting thousands of them to die annually. At present, there are 6 sea turtle species that are already at threat, and globally approximately 52% of sea turtles have eaten plastic debris inclusive of plastic bags, consequently causing toxic chemicals to be released into their tissues, gut perforation, blocking of their intestines, life-threatening complications, and usually their death. A studied autopsy record of 408 leatherback sea turtles detected the presence of plastic in the gastrointestinal tract of 34% of the cases. In a different study, it was noted that 8.7% of the turtles that died had a plastic bag blocking their esophagus. One study carried out relayed that the kind of plastic bag ingestion, biodegradable or standard, degrade differently in the body of green and loggerhead turtle. The gastrointestinal fluids of the green turtle were able to break down the biodegradable bag in comparison to the loggerhead turtle, but the intestinal fluids of both were not fast enough to decay the plastic bag they had ingested to prevent future sickness. Plastic bags have also been reported to block the passage of the female sea turtle's eggs. One study revealed that 14 pieces of plastic were removed from a female cloaca, which enabled the turtle to lay its eggs but resulted in internal damage. Floating plastic bags in the ocean also impact on the lives of young turtles in the pelagic stage, as they are prone to ingest them. Although there are countries where no action is taken to address this issue, Bangladesh, Ireland, Australia, and America are countries that have taken steps nationally to address this problem with legislation and regulation. Ireland's Environment Ministry, with the implementation of the Plastax, reported that 1.2 billion plastic bags used annually dropped by 90% within months. With a similar ban in China, the 3 billion plastic bags used daily had decreased by 66% within the first year. The increase in awareness of plastic bag impact promoted the Northern Territory government also to join South Australia in the banning of plastic bags in supermarkets. Major retailers like IKEA, that have also taken action in 2007 with the plastic bag, reported having a 92% reduction in plastic bag use within the first year. Although recycling is a step in the right direction for individuals as a standalone measure, it is not very productive in reducing the plastic bags' harmful environmental effects and impact on sea turtles, as only less than 5% of plastics are recycled worldwide. Rather, reducing everyday plastic bag use is a better option. Public education campaigns, whereby statistics and detrimental effects of improper disposal of plastic bags are shown, can be effective in promoting reusable bags. On a global and individual scale, greater public awareness for sea turtle conservation is an advised priority, as individuals that are educated about the threats sea turtles face are more likely to act towards addressing the issue.